So now we know that what is the TypeScript and what is the component library. Now it's time to configure the project, right? So in this video, we are going to configure the project. We are going to create a fresh React app along with the TypeScript and the Chakra UI. But before we will move forward there, make sure that you have installed the Node.js on your system. If you don't know that how to install the Node.js on your system, you can find the link of the video in the description. The next thing is we had to configure the Chakra UI along with the TypeScript. Okay, we are going to create a new React app with help of the create React app, and we are going to use the template which Chakra UI already provided along with the TypeScript. Here we have an option that if you don't wanted to use the TypeScript along with the Chakra UI, then you can use this template command. And if you wanted to use the TypeScript along with the Chakra UI, you can use this command. What it will going to do, it will pre-configure everything for you. Okay, so if you do it alone, that if you use the npx create react app, it will just going to create a React app for you, but you have to configure the Chakra UI by yourself or TypeScript by yourself. Okay, so that is a lengthy process. Chakra UI giving us a solution that don't do a lengthy process. We already have a template, use that template, and it will going to configure you Chakra UI along with the TypeScript for yourself. Okay, so we are going to use this npx, and we have also the option called yarn. So it's your choice that you can use the npx or yarn. For this project we are going to use the npx. So let's copy this thing and let's see that what will going to happen. I'm going to use the Control C or Command C, and here I have created one folder called React. Inside that I'm going to create a portfolio. So here I'm going to paste. Here you can see that I am in this directory. I just wanted to change the name of this app to portfolio. So change the name, and now Chakra UI will help us to create the app and install all the dependency required for the Chakra UI, for the React, and for the TypeScript. It will going to take a couple of time. Till that, I'm just pausing the video. So Chakra UI did a very good job. So now our project is configured. Let's see that what we will get from that template. I will going to open it on a VS Code. Let's go on here and open the folder. Here in desktop, in the React, we have this portfolio folder. Let's open it and see that what we get. Let's maximize it. Here we will find that we have a node module and we have the package.json file. Let's go over here in a package.json, and you will find that we have a couple of dependency already installed on our project. Here we have Chakra UI related thing, we have the TypeScript related thing. All the thing is already installed along with this script. Okay, also we have the tsconfig.json file. This is a main thing for the TypeScript management thing. We will come here later when we required. Okay, also we got yarn log. Okay, and inside the source we have a couple of things over here. Let's run this app, that how it will look like. So let's go and let's see that. Okay, we have to use the npm start, and let's see that what we get it. So it will run the server on 3000 port, and let's see that how it will looking like. So this thing is already done by the Chakra UI. It's not a regular React app thing. It's Chakra UI tweak the app.js, I mean now app.tsx. Okay, and it already pre-configured the dark and light mode. Well done Chakra UI. So now you can see that our project is set up and we have everything with us. If you go on app.tsx, it's not a regular React app. Here we have wrapped the thing with the Chakra provider which is required. Okay, and here we have the theme. Right now the theme is coming from the Chakra UI itself, but later point of time we will going to create a custom theme for us. Okay, and we will do it in our next coming videos if required to change the theme. Okay, so this is a project setup. And now let's add the storybook as well on this project, and we will going to do on a next video. Till that, happy coding, see you on a next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.